Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create dynamic split screen ad using custom shapes. Start with a white canvas and create a thick vertical rectangles dividing the frame into two levels. Left side add bold diagonal shape for energy and right side add comb rounded shape for contrast. Place product image on each half based on the theme and add a title inside a slim rectangular tab. Highlight features using mini circular shape icons and add a thick curved shape under the price tag. Place the CTA button inside a capsule shape. Balance both sides with equal spacing. Thanks.